How's it going, guys? We have a lot to cover today, so let me get pretty much into it. So, we made a huge price jump in Bitcoin here because of the government shutdown, and I guess the market decided to take that as bullish news here. So, essentially, what I'm looking for is possibly a retracement, and if the shutdown does continue to like go as long as it did last time, I feel like we'll have a pretty significant economic downturns to where pretty much all this liquidity that was made, it will probably just be erased essentially. But we'll just have to see if that happens. For as of right now, I'm probably gonna size down on my lot sizes here and possibly take smaller trades just because we don't know how long the shutdown will last. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking for here. So essentially, I got two areas on my charts marked out for possibly a retracement here into this red box here, or here is also on this red box here is another good place for a retracement here, because I mean we just moved quite a lot of liquidity and on the blockchain here, so I'm just pretty much looking for a retracement, and then after that, I'm probably looking onward, honestly, because I feel like it probably can honestly take out these all time highs. So definitely gonna be on the lookout for that. Um, so that's all I got for pretty much Bitcoin here is pretty much a retracement into like an order block or a break of structure. Because I mean, see this break of structure, but I wasn't really looking for a trade today because I'm pretty much up on the week, so I didn't want to pretty much risk any liquidity. And then I knew the shutdown was possibly coming, and it was highly likely though. But I didn't know like if it was gonna turn out bullish or bearish. And I feel like a lot of the people in the trading space kind of was kind of wowed at the fact that the shutdown was on in the market's terms bullish, turned out bullish news. Pretty much same thing for ES here. Portfolio is pretty much up here. Didn't really take a trade today, but for the same thing, not really too much to look forward to. Other than like I mean, we did make good bullish movement here. We do have a bearish SMT on the 15-minute market structure here, and I did see that. And then we went it in straight in reverse off of a break of structure. That candle was the break of structure here, and then we turned pretty much bullish here. So that was pretty much that on ES here. Didn't take any trades today, just to say that again. And that was all I have for ES here. Now let's swap over to NQ. On NQ, it is kind of the same story, to be honest. I mean, we do have same thing here, bearish SMT here, and then break a structure into bullish SMT here on 15-minute as well, because I love looking at price action on those charts there. So that is pretty much all we have in terms of on these charts right here. That is probably also a good retracement as well. Let me just have that. I'm probably just gonna blackline that because maybe we could come off of a breaker structure or actually an order block within a certain price range here, because I feel like we could possibly order block into this area, fall down, and then catch a 5-minute retrace to the upside, because I feel like we can continue pushing higher. So that is that when it comes to NQ. Let me get on 50-minute here, because I feel like that's probably a better way to look at it here. Where was the yeah, here's the kind of bullish SMT. I know that's probably a really choppy bullish SMT there, but none the fact that that will be it there. So, and then we just have some economic news that's coming out here. That's pretty funny picture of Trump there. We do have unemployment claims tomorrow, and that's pretty much it when it comes to um, the news that we have. So just looking for pretty much a retrace, and then just looking for probably longs tomorrow. That's pretty much all I got for today. My good thing for the day is, let me look at my quotes that I have written down here. Financial freedom is the available who those to learn about it and work for it. That's by Robert Kiyosaki there. I definitely love his book on the four quadrants. Y'all should definitely read that book. I do also. I'm gonna pretty much repeat the quote that I have yesterday. The more you learn, the more you earn. I feel like I'm gonna kind of ramble on about that for probably about 2 minutes here, because I feel like we live in an information society. I feel like a lot of people don't like the reason why people don't have a lot of money is because they don't really take the time and sit down and pretty much work on their financial knowledge. I don't feel like a lot of people know about high yield savings accounts, and not a lot of people know about the Roth and the 401k, because I feel like it's just a learning society here. If you don't have the knowledge, then like what can you do? I can only like imagine how people like feel if they don't have those type of like they don't know about it. I feel like we live in an information society. So that's my take on that. And then my quotes on budgeting yesterday were pretty impactful to me, because ran across a TikTok video saying that like you must know where every dollar goes, because I mean you don't want to sit there and just look at your bank account and where did like your paycheck go to. Like mine, I know where every single dollar goes, because I like to know where my money goes, and I just don't like randomly spend it on like random things like subscriptions and stuff. Like I don't let that thing slide. I look at my bank account every single day and know like where my money went. Cause I mean you can just like let your like not look at it, and then 2 weeks ago you have like $0. Cause I mean you probably just overspent, or in the rare occurrence you could probably just get hacked. But I feel like that's gonna be in the minority of things. But you'll probably just spend it all before you get hacked. Like let's be honest now. A lot of people spend their money on food and stuff, but I mean a lot of my friends call me cheap because I pretty much just buy and cook my food, and because I don't want to spend a lot of money. I want to pretty much invest it and make great returns on my money. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all guys today, and I love each and every one of you to that come and like watch my charts and absorb knowledge, because that's just what I want to give to y'all, and that's what pretty much what I want to be known for, just giving out the sauce pretty much. um I love y'all. Let's all get closer to God and budget y'all's money.